In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a task on Asana in just 5 minutes. Whether you're managing a small team or coordinating a large project, mastering Asana can make your workflow considerably smoother. Let's get started now. First, you'll want to open up a web browser of your choice and navigate to the Asana homepage. Just enter appasana.com into the address bar and you'll land on the login page. Here you'll be prompted to enter your email address associated with your Asana account. Enter your email, then go ahead and click the continue button that's conveniently located just below the email field. After continuing, it's time to enter your password. Don't worry about typos here. As with most logins, it's a case sensitive field, and you can also choose to reveal the password to double check your entry before hitting the login button. Once you click on login, you'll be directed to your Asana homepage, which is the central hub for all your projects and tasks. Now that you're on the Asana homepage, it's time to create a task. You can either create a main task, or you can add a subtask under an existing project. To do this, find the option in your project area to add a task. Here, you'll want to fill in all the necessary details. You can start with a concise but descriptive title that will help you and your team understand the task at a glance. After that, add a more detailed description where you can outline specific requirements and objectives. Don't forget, you'll also want to set a due date to keep your timeline in check and ensure everything stays on schedule. If there are any files or documents that are crucial to the task, make sure to attach them. This can save a lot of back and forth later on. Once your task is created, click on it to open up the details pane, which will appear on the right side of your screen. You'll find several fields here where you can further customize your task. But for our purpose, focus on the assignee field. Click on it to assign the task to someone. Asana offers a helpful feature that allows you to assign tasks to multiple people. Simply select assign to multiple people and then type in the names or email addresses of everyone you want to include. This ensures everyone involved gets their own copy of the task, and equally important, is aware of their responsibilities. Finally, after you've entered the relevant names or email addresses, click the assign button to finalize the process. And there you have it. In just a few straightforward steps, you've successfully added and assigned a task in Asana. With this under your belt, you're well on your way to more efficient project management. Thanks for watching and happy task tracking.